Hi, I'm Michael Megna, founder and CEO of Backscratchers Salon Systems. Today we'll walk you through the steps of applying Extreme Powder Glaze Acrylic Dip System. Extreme beauty, extreme ease, extreme speed, extreme toughness. The best product on the market today. To remove the polish, use a nail neat or neat and tidy pad. Just take a little bit of stripper and saturate the pad to remove the polish with a non-acetone polish remover on all 10 nails. For demonstration purposes, we're just going to be showing you one nail today. First, you want to cleanse the hands with Hygienic Elegance. Hygienic Elegance is our primer for all Backscratcher systems. We do not use any traditional primers or dehydrators. Rinse hands completely and dry thoroughly. Gently push back the cuticle with a rubber tip cuticle pusher, and then we'll want to trim the free edge of the natural nail to 1/16 of an inch. Using the 240 grit to shape the free edge, and we'll use the 600 grit Septafile on the surface to remove the shine. To apply the abrasive, peel off the backing and set into place on the file handle. Septafile is customizable, so you can put two different grits on one handle. We're going to shape the natural nail with a 240 grit Septafile and remove the shine from the top of the natural nail with a 600. Let's continue on to the application steps of this demonstration, beginning with the base glaze. We're going to use the base on the entire nail, staying 1/16 of an inch from the cuticle. And you will do this to all 10 nails and spray with glaze dryer. Staying 4 to 5 inches away, a little bit goes a long way. Now we're going to use our 240 grit Septafile on top of the product just to remove the shine where the nail tip is going to be applied, and then remove the dust from the nail. Then we'll be choosing a tip from our Nouveau collection, making sure it fits from sidewall to sidewall, and you want to pre-size all your tips at once. We have two options available. For a fast bond, you want to use the finish glaze. For a little bit slower bond, use the base glaze. For this demonstration, we're going to be using the base glaze method. Now applying the base to the natural nail where the nail tip will be applied on the free edge. Holding the tip at a 45-degree angle and rocking it forward to make complete contact with the natural nail and pushing out any of the base to fill in the seam line. You may have to go back over the seam line with a little bit of base to fill it in, and then activate with Extreme Glaze Dryer. You will then cut the tip to the desired length, cutting it from side to side. Then shape the nail with a 240 grit. Now we're going to prepare the powder. The 4-ounce powder comes with a dipper and the scoop, which we are using here today. And we're also using the clear powder. 2 scoops seems to work best for all 10 nails. Then apply the finish to the entire nail surface, staying 1/16 of an inch from the cuticle, brushing to the free edge. Have your customer dip into the powder and roll from side to side and tapping off the excess. As you can see, the nail looks chalky there. Once you apply the extreme finish, it immediately turns clear to a beautiful Backscratchers nail. You may have to repeat this step several times depending on the strength and durability and lifestyle of your client. It is very critical that you wipe the brush once you have come in contact with the powder. This will prevent the resin from becoming thick over time. It's best to do this on a nail neat or on a placemat. Then spray with glaze dryer. You'll want to use a 240 grit on top of the product just to smooth out any ridges or bumps. And then go back over it with a 600 for the final smooth. If you see any shiny spots after you filed with the 600, it's recommended to go back over with the base glaze and then activate and then file smooth again. This way you don't file through the product. Then you want to remove the dust using a nail neat or a neat and tidy. And then thoroughly wash hands once again. To complete the Extreme system, choosing one of two options available. Option 1, Extreme Permanent Sealer for a high gloss shine. Option 2 is using the white and gray buffers for a natural shine. Today we're going to use Option 1, applying Glaze Sealer. Once hands are thoroughly clean and dry, you want to apply a thin coat to all nails, staying away from the cuticle. It may take 2 or 3 coats to get the desired gloss and shine that you like. Note that the Extreme Sealer is fast drying. Once the nails are dry, apply Nail Radiance Tea Tree Cuticle Oil to hydrate the nails and keep them beautiful and supple. This is a great retail for your customer as they can use every night on top of the nail and around the cuticles and underneath. This helps hydrate nails between appointments and keeping them beautiful. As you can see, what a beautiful look and finish. I want to thank you today for taking the time to learn about Extreme Powder Glaze Acrylic Dip System. All products are available at www.backscratchers.com. You can locate a distributor store, find out about our specials, join our Facebook, and chat with other nail techs. For detailed instructions on Extreme and all systems, you can go to backscratchers.com or always call us at 1-800-832-5577.